I'll never forget the day I met Sarah. She was a hairstylist at the salon I went to, but she always seemed a little distracted. One day, I asked her what was on her mind, and that's when she opened up. Sarah told me that she had this dream of starting her own pet grooming business, but she was too scared to take the leap. "Who am I to think I can run a successful business?" she said, her eyes welling up with tears. "I don't have any business experience, and I've heard pet grooming is such a crowded market. I'm just going to end up failing like everyone else." I'll never forget the look on her face at that moment. Defeated, doubting herself, ready to give up on her dream. But you know what I said to her? I said, "Sarah, what if I told you that pet grooming is actually one of the most overlooked, profitable service businesses out there?" Welcome to the Catalyzo channel, your go-to for real strategies to launch and grow your business. We focus on giving small business owners practical tips and growth hacks without any fluff. We're all about getting you the info you need, fast. You see, most people take one look at pet grooming and think, that's too saturated. There's no money in that. Therefore, they write it off and miss out on a truly life-changing opportunity. But Sarah, she trusted me, took the leap, and started her own pet grooming business called Sarah's Paw Spa. And you know what happened? In just 5 short years, Sarah has grown that business to 3 locations and over $800,000 in annual revenue. $800,000! All because she was willing to look past the conventional wisdom and see the hidden potential. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's great for Sarah, but how do I find these kinds of hidden gem service business opportunities? Well, my friends, that's exactly what I'm here to reveal to you today. Over the next 8 to 9 minutes, I'm going to share 5 more service business ideas that are truly flying under the radar. Ideas that could unlock life-changing income for the right entrepreneur. So if you're ready to discover the hidden profit potential that most people miss, buckle up and let's dive in. To kick things off, let's talk about one of the most overlooked yet highly profitable service businesses out there: pet grooming. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Pet grooming? That's so boring and basic. But hear me out, because the numbers in this industry are truly staggering. The pet care market in the US is expected to reach over $281 billion by 2030. That's billion with a B. And within that massive industry, pet grooming is a particularly juicy niche. The average pet grooming business can bring in anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 in annual revenue. But the real kicker is the startup costs. You can often get a pet grooming business up and running for under $20,000. Talk about a high-profit, low-investment opportunity. Now, let's move on to another hidden gem that's flying under the radar: in-home senior care. As the U.S. population continues to age, the demand for quality in-home caregiving services is exploding. In fact, the home healthcare market is projected to reach over $517 billion by 2027. That's a massive opportunity, my friends. And the best part, the startup costs for an in-home senior care business can be relatively low. You can often get set up with just a small office space and a team of trained caregivers. Don't just take my word for it, though. Let me introduce you to Michael and Linda. A few years ago, they launched their own in-home senior care company with just $30,000 in startup capital. Today, they have 4 locations and are bringing in over $1.2 million in annual revenue. Their secret? Providing personalized, compassionate care that allows seniors to live independently for as long as possible. It's a service that's in sky-high demand and one that doesn't require a massive upfront investment. Number 3, mobile auto detailing. The auto detailing industry as a whole is worth over $11 billion in the US, and the mobile segment is growing rapidly. People love the convenience of having their cars detailed right at their home or office. And the startup costs? You can often get a mobile detailing business up and running for under $10,000. Just ask John, who started his mobile auto detailing company 4 years ago with $8,000. Today, he has 3 vans, a team of 10 detailers, and is bringing in a profit in over $350,000 in annual revenue. Talk about a hidden gem. Number 4, Home organization. As our homes and lives become more cluttered, the demand for professional organizers is skyrocketing. In fact, the home organization market is projected to reach $12 billion by 2025. And get this, you can often start a home organization business out of your garage for just a few $1,000s. That's exactly what Patricia did. After losing her corporate job, she invested just $3,000 to get her home organization company off the ground. Now, in just 2 years, she has a team of 8 organizers and over $500,000 in annual revenue. Number 5. Virtual Assistant, VA services. Finally, let's talk about virtual assistant services. As more and more businesses need administrative and operational support, the demand for skilled virtual assistants continues to grow. The global virtual assistant market is projected to reach $25 billion by 2026. The beauty of a VA business is that you can often get started with just a laptop, some productivity software, and a strong skill set. Just ask Emily, who was laid off during the pandemic. She used her $3,000 severance to set up her home office and start offering virtual assistant services. Within 12 months, she was earning over $70,000 annually, all while having the flexibility to work from home. All right, there you have it. 5 incredible service business opportunities that are flying under the radar. From pet grooming to in-home senior care, mobile auto detailing to home organization, and virtual assistant services, these are the hidden gems that most people completely overlook. But now that you know about them, the question is, what are you going to do about it? Are you ready to take the leap and start your own profitable service business? If so, be sure to stick around. Because on the Catalyzo channel, we're all about giving you the real practical strategies you need to launch and grow your business. In my next video, I'm going to dive even deeper into the step-by-step process of launching one of these hidden gem service businesses. I'll walk you through everything from market research to financing to scaling up. So if you're ready to uncover your entrepreneurial potential and start living life on your own terms, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.